What's the meaning of casket? Casket. Casket.
Casket. Casket. A casket is a rectangular box that is used to hold the body of a deceased person for burial or cremation. Caskets are usually made of wood, but can also be made of metal, such as copper or bronze. They are often decorated with handles, linings, and other ornamental features, and may be personalized with engravings or other embellishments. Caskets can be purchased from funeral homes or other retailers, and are typically one of the most expensive items associated with funeral services. Some people choose to build their own caskets as a way of expressing their creativity or honoring their loved ones.